So we are in the Momentum Grand Design. Me and Corey looked at these in Prescott, and if we moved up to a bigger trailer, we'd probably go with this one. Toy hauler, we wouldn't bring the toys, but we love this patio. And then for a second bed, you have this sucker, which there's a button somewhere, I don't know. What we loved about it is this open format, and you can bring those two chairs and have them in here. And then the master, follow me. This is the master. And a great bathroom, a good bathroom, two-door bathroom. And then look at this. You can talk about headroom. Look at that headroom. So, when we were on the road looking, we looked at a lot of rigs, and we really like this one. It has two slide outs. Big old mirror, counter space. It's like 43,000 retail. A good sink, good double sink, TV, Furrion stove, microwave, 3-year warranty. So when we hit the road with a family, this is probably going to be the rig we go with. USB charging right here, storage. Look at this panoramic window. Just imagine you're pulled up and you're boondocking at Goosenecks or Oregon coast, and you just have this whole window, and then this is open, and you're just sitting in here as a family. So this is our vision for when we hit the road with a family is pulling something like this, a small toy hauler, just because we love that outside patio. We know our animals would love it. So let's keep looking at these. Check them out.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it real.
So I just saw this one after touring the other G-Class. This has a permanent trailer attached to it, so you don't have to fold it down or anything. And it has an outdoor kitchen. I don't know what to think about this. I kind of like it a lot. You have grill, fridge, outdoor sink, and in this one, your living space sitting with your TV and fireplace, and then your master comes down in the living room, which I don't mind, and then has this L kitchen with bunk beds. So check this out. So if you had kids, you could have these two bunk beds. I would want some type of door here for privacy as well if you had people staying over. Sliding bathroom door, big old shower, your toilet. This is your storage. If you had one kid, they could pick whatever bunk you have and use the other one for storage. I really like this one. Vendor hallways at the RV show. A bunch of interesting vendors, to say the least. But when you come here, you're gonna see a lot of vendors trying to sell you stuff. So, like, look at this. You want a vibrating therapy machine? So I am in a Tiffin Wayfarer. Check this out. You got your bed. You have your other bed back here. This is where the slide is. You slide out. You have your TV. Bathroom. Fit in perfectly. Nice storage, nice countertops, deep sink. So your second bed would go here, and then you have the TV here, the lighting. This is a really cool model I've been looking at. Maybe one day. I don't know. I don't know if I'd pay $130,000 for that instead of an Airstream.
I'd pay for that over an Airstream.
Really? So we're in a 2020 Lance model 2285. Has 2 entrances. I really like this model. This is your main area. You have the fridge, good sized fridge, a good stove. You have your Dometic oven, sink, storage. You have a slide that goes out for your dining and probably can be converted to a bed. Another couch here, which is neat. I like the fact that you have 2 sitting spaces so you can have dinner going on and entertaining in multiple areas. Your TV, it looks like a media station. Cubbies, all kinds of hidden cubby spaces. Then look at this master. That's a really neat window. It's kind of like the little guy Max. It's really neat to lay in bed, have that backed up to a mountain or the ocean, and have that view. These are nice side windows too in this thing. I like it. Here's your bathroom. See if I can fit in it. I can. Hey, how are you? There's a party going on somewhere. We are back home, into the night of the RV show. We went to the RVnGO After Party. Saw Less Junk More Journey, got a chance to shake their hands again, say hey to them and some of the other folks there. But it was a fun night. It was a packed house, not a lot of parking there, so it was a bit chaotic. So we're back at the rig. We're gonna call it a night, and then we'll have day 2 at the RV show. So thanks for watching. If you're liking what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And as always, joy on the road. See y'all. Good night.